Step 1. Unlock the sash by turning the handle to a vertical position. Step 2. Disengage the SDR 6-inch window limiter using the designated limiter key. Step 3. Disengage the stay arm with a hex key wrench. Step 4. Adjust sash compression between high, neutral, and low settings using the compression regulator. Do not adjust unless necessary, as this may compromise water tightness. Step 5. Adjust the window hinges in all 3 axes using a hex key wrench. Step 6. Re-engage the stay arms using the hex key wrench. Step 7. Secure the awning sash by turning the handle to the horizontal position. Step 8. Re-engage the window limiters by snapping the arms into their designated slots. Step 9. Close the sash by turning the handle to the horizontal position. Find out more information at intuswindows.com.